Office in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Essex County in northern New York, Clinton County in northern New York, Franklin County in northern New York, St. Lawrence County in northern New York until 8:15 p.m. At 6:44 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. The storm was near Low Hill, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Fowler, Hoover, Wanakee-Nut, Fine, Horseshoe Lake, Cranberry Lake, Piercefield, Tupper Lake, Lake Clear, Saranacan, Paul Smiths, Rainbow Lake, and Lake Placid. This severe thunderstorm is also capable of producing deadly lightning and torrential rain. When you can do so safely, please report damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling 802-863-4279 or submitting a storm report at weather.gov/Burlington. Get to safety immediately when threatening weather approaches. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Large hail may cause injury and damage property. Widespread wind damage is expected with this severe thunderstorm. Winds may knock down trees and power lines and damage buildings. Take cover now.